This free AI trick makes you money daily, no experience needed. This free AI tool is helping people make hundreds of dollars every single day. And no, it's not ChatGPT, it's 2025. There's a new sheriff in town. Meet Taskade AI, a smart assistant that creates, automates, and even manages full online workflows for free. Let's say you want to start a side hustle. Just type, "Build me a passive income system using affiliate links," and boom, it gives you a full step-by-step game plan in seconds. Need content? It writes social media posts, emails, landing pages, all optimized using GPT-4 Turbo, without lifting a finger. People are using it to launch AI agencies, automate digital products, and even flip content into cash without any tech skills. Thousands are already doing it. If you've got Wi-Fi and 15 minutes a day, this tool can change your game. Want the full setup? I dropped everything in the pinned comment. And yes, it's 100% free. Follow Click to Cash AI for more crazy tools that print money with zero effort. The AI money wave is here. Ride it or miss out.